Just pure curiosity. I wanted to find out what would happen if I melt solder wire and put into silicone mold. So I bought 50/50th solder wire from Canadian Tire. I was able to make 12 bullets. Solder wire price was $18.86. Basically, this bullet is $1.57 per each, which is ridiculously expensive. Not only price, it looks super ugly. I am pretty sure these bullets are most ugliest ever made in human history. I don't know why it came out like this. Because I made this mold out of using factory bullet. Anyways, these bullets' average weight was 130 to 133 grain. I charged 37.5 grain ramshot tack smokeless powder. When I seat the bullet, rough surface got squeezed and pushed some materials away, but it was easily removed by scrap it with fingernail. After I reloaded, I came to friend's land and tested out. If something goes wrong, my friend will save me. Maybe. I guess. I hope so. I wear personal protection gears for safety, and use string to pull the trigger remotely.
You ready?
When I checked the paper, I noticed that it shoots to sideways. It was only 2 feet away. I came back home and checked the barrel and it was fairly okay. Also checked the brass that I fired if there's any overpressure sign. It was also alright. After I found it not fly straight, I removed all the solder bullet out from my brass. Well, it was very fun experiment. Thanks for watching.